Synthetic polymers are usually called plastics. Plastic means can be molded into shape without breaking, and this is true for all synthetic polymers while they are being made. Plastic comes from the Greek word plastikos, meaning suitable for molding or shaping. So, where do plastics come from? How to make them? Most plastics are made from chemicals in the naphtha fraction of petroleum. They are usually quite cheap to make. What makes plastics interesting are the properties. A chemical reaction forming polymers from monomers is called polymerization, of which there are many types. Plastics do not usually conduct electricity or heat. They are unreactive. Most are not affected by air, water, acids, or other chemicals. This means they are usually safe for storing things in, including food. They are usually light to carry, much lighter than wood, or stone, or glass, or most metals. They don't break when you drop them. You have to hammer most rigid plastics quite hard to get them to break. They are strong. This is because their long molecules are attracted to each other. Most plastics are hard to tear or pull apart. They do not catch fire easily. But when you heat them, some soften and melt, and some char, which means they go black as if burned. The high-density polythene is hard and strong, which is why it is used for things like bowls and dustbins. The low-density polythene is ideal for things like plastic bags and cling film for wrapping food. How to change the properties of polymer? By choosing monomers and reaction conditions carefully, you can make plastics with exactly the properties you want. For example, as molecules get longer, the force of attraction between them increases. So this is how you can change the properties at about 50 degrees Celsius, 3 or 4 atmospheres pressure, and using a catalyst, you can get long chains. They are packed close together, so the polythene is quite dense. And about 200 degrees Celsius, 2000 atmospheres pressure, and with a little oxygen present, the chains will branch. Now they can't pack closely, so the polythene is far less dense. So by choosing the right conditions, you can change the density of the polythene and make it heavy or light to suit your needs. These are the uses of synthetic polymer. Polypropylene, also known as polypropene, is a thermoplastic polymer used in a wide variety of applications, including packaging and labeling, textiles, stationery, plastic parts and reusable containers of various types, laboratory equipment, loudspeakers, automotive components, and polymer banknotes. Polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, is the third most widely produced plastic, after polyethylene and polypropylene. PVC is used in construction because it is cheaper and stronger than more traditional alternatives such as copper or ductile iron. Polystyrene is an aromatic polymer made from the monomer styrene, a liquid petrochemical. One of the most popular plastics, PS, is a colorless solid that is used, for example, in disposable cutlery, plastic models, CD and DVD cases, and smoke detector housings. Nylon, a family of synthetic polymers, known generically as polyamides, was first produced on February 28, 1935 by Wallace Carothers at DuPont's research facility. Nylon is one of the most commonly used polymers. Notice that your nylon clothing will absorb water. Teflon is a synthetic fluoropolymer and has numerous applications. It is a solid, high molecular weight compound consisting entirely of carbon and fluorine. PTFE is used as a non-stick coating for pans and other cookware because it has very low friction with other compounds. Polystyrene is an insulator, means it helps to prevent heat loss. So it is used under floors and in fast food cartoons. And, you see this parachute? It is nylon. If you're interested in sharpening your knowledge and becoming a more proactive person, subscribe to the channel today and share this video to your friends.